Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, for those of you who don't know me, and if you do know me, of course, welcome back to my channel. You guys are wonderful supporters. So, with that said, I just want to say thank you for all of those who subscribed, stayed subscribed, supported me, liked my videos, commented. All those things mean so much to me, and I want to say thank you so much. So, just want to let you guys know, thank you. Alright, so today's video, we're doing this makeup look right here, and let me scoop back a little bit and show you guys, alright, the entire look. So I'm looking at my viewfinder right now, and alright, so this is the entire look. It's what I call the Aurora Borealis sky makeup look, and I like it. I think it turned out very nice. Very proud of myself, and yeah, it's like the sky, Aurora Borealis sky makeup look on my eye, you know what I mean? So, if you are curious how I got this makeup done, then of course, don't go anywhere, sit tight, and we shall start the video right away. So I already have my brows and like my face makeup done. Well, for the most part, I mean, I got my highlighter and my blush, my brows, my foundation, concealer, all that good stuff. And we're just going to mainly focus on the eyes in this video. So hopefully this makes the watch time a lot shorter and you guys actually watch my video from the beginning to the end. And of course, for those of you guys who do watch it from beginning to end, you know, thank you so much. You guys are wonderful. And my hair is kind of wet right now because I'm trying to refrain from using the blow dryer all the time. My hair dries so slowly. I mean, you guys, I don't even know. My hair just dries really slow. It just... Does that mean I have like really thick hair? I don't know. It dries so slow. Like if I go to bed with wet hair, I'll wake up with wet hair. That's how slow it dries. Alright, so for our eyeshadow palettes, I'll be using the Jaclyn Morphe palette right here. Alright. And I'll probably go in and dive into the Dominique cosmetic palette. I'm not sure yet, but that's the palette right there. And if I do dive into other palettes, I'll let you know. Alright, so first I'm going in with the Jaclyn Morphe palette. And we're starting to color off with Silk Cream. And you just want to place that all over your eyelid from your lash to your brow bone. All over. Next, I'm going to dive in with my Dominique cosmetic palette and go in with Pumpkin Spice. And with my eye shape and the way my eyes are, I know some people like to put this transition color on their crease, which if that works for you, go ahead. But for me, it's not so much of me putting it on my crease. I like to put it where my eye socket is because this is what works for my eye shape. I freaking love this Dominique cosmetic palette. I use it every single day. Before, I would use the Jaclyn Morphe palette, and I got myself the Latte palette afterwards, and I'm like, ooh, I love both of them, don't get me wrong, but lately I've been using the Latte palette every day, like literally every day. Alright, so that is on my eye socket, not my crease. So now I'm taking the color Twerk from the Morphe palette and placing that on the outer third of my eyelid. And normally I'm just a little bit messy when I'm doing my eyes, but because I have my foundation on, I'm trying to be as neat as possible. But if we mess up, we can always clean it up afterwards. Not a big deal. I feel like the next color I'm going to use, it doesn't really have this color in the Aurora Borealis sky, but maybe it does, you know, maybe a tint of it. At least the pictures I saw on Google, it didn't really have this color, but this is one of my favorite colors in the Jaclyn Morphe palette, so I just have to include it. Alright, so we're using Pool Party. And just a little bit of it, you know? Not even like a lot, just a little bit. Like, you really don't need that much with this color because it's just that pretty, and just a little bit goes a long way. And I'm placing it right next to Twerk. Now we're going back into the Latte palette and we're picking up some Cold Brew and placing that. Honestly, I'm just placing it kind of like making it kind of mix and fuse in together. I'm not really placing it with any rhyme or reason. You know what I mean? It's just like your eyelid is a canvas and you just want to make some beautiful sky scenery, if that makes sense. For me, I'm placing it pretty much right next to the twerk and above the pool party. And that seems to be working for me. Alright, so now I'm going to dive in and use the color Hunts from the JH palette. And I'm actually going to pick up some of the firework color from the same palette and place that on top of Hunts. Alright, so far I think looks pretty good, you know. Those of you who watch my video and, know me, that you know that I don't really practice my makeup before I come on camera and, show you guys what I'm doing. So it's kind of like I'm doing it as I go along and I cross my fingers and pray to God that this will come out nicely. So I think it's turning out pretty nice. Alright, so picking up some Little Lady, and we're going to just kind of sweep that on the inner corner and bring it out and up. And if you feel like you have to go back in with certain colors, then this is the time to do it. So I feel like my cold brew has faded away, so I want to really bring that color back in. Alright, and this last part, I'll be using my fingers, and I'll be picking up the color Sissy, dabbing that in my inner corner. So the top part of our lid is pretty much completed. We're going to go ahead and do the shadows on the lower part of our lid. So I'm going to take the color Cold Brew and bring that on the lower part of my lid. And then picking up the color Double Shot, putting that right next to Cold Brew. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner, put on my lashes, and pretty much complete the face and come right back. Alright everyone, so I'm back and this is my completed makeup look. Just checking my teeth. Got a little bit of lipstick on there. Alright, so yeah, so I'm back and this is the completed makeup look. Yeah, so I think it turned out actually really, really, really nice. I am kind of sad that I have to wash this off now because I do record my videos late at night. So I, put on the makeup, slap it on, and then, it's all at night. So I gotta wash it off before I go to sleep. I rather not sleep with makeup on, but yeah, that is what pictures are for. So I'm gonna take like a gazillion pictures and then post a couple of them on Instagram, so I am very proud of myself. This is again my take on the Aurora Borealis, sky makeup look. So if you can recreate this look or even make your own version of the Aurora Borealis sky makeup look, then go ahead and make your own, post the video up, post an Instagram picture up, tag me in it so I can see them and like them and comment on them for you guys. And that is pretty much it, guys. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that like button if you haven't already. Join the KWAKFAM and click subscribe. And of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!